Writing, style, engaging. Hey everyone! So, you're a business owner in the UAE and you've heard about the new 9% corporate tax, right? Well, let's dive into how you can register for it without breaking a sweat. First off, why is this important? As of June 1st, 2023, UAE introduced a corporate tax for the first time ever. This means if your business's annual income exceeds AED 375,000, you are required to register. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, get your documents in order. You'll need your trade license, Emirates ID, and proof of business activity. Make sure these are current and ready to go. Step 2, visit the Federal Tax Authority's official website. It's user-friendly and available in both Arabic and English. Click on the e-services section. You can't miss it. It's right on the top menu. Step 3, if you're new to this, you'll need to create an account. It's pretty straightforward, just follow the prompts to register. For those who already have an account, simply log in. Step 4, once logged in, navigate to the corporate tax section and select Register for Corporate Tax. The online form is intuitive. You'll enter details about your business, like financial year-end, income, and so on. Make sure you double-check all information for accuracy. Step 5, attach the required documents you gathered earlier. This can usually be done by uploading digital copies directly through the website. Final step, submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation email with further details about your tax status and what to expect next. And that's it. 6 simple steps to get yourself registered for UAE's 9% corporate tax. Remember, staying compliant not only helps you avoid penalties, but also positions your business as a trustworthy entity, so take action and get registered. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on managing your business effectively. Thanks for watching and good luck with your tax registration.